Attention everyone, there is no 71st Avenue bound R train service between Queens Plaza and 71st Avenue because of signal modernization. As an alternative, use a Jamaica bound E or F train.
Attention everyone, T trains are not running between 34th Street Herald Square and Stillwell Avenue because of track replacement. As an alternative, take the N, Q, or R trains. Free shuttle buses are running between West 4th Street and Grand Street. Attention everyone, 2, 3, and 4 trains will not stop at Eastern Parkway Brooklyn Museum because of the West Indian Day Parade. As an alternative, use the Grand Army Plaza station instead.